They're gonna be like, this the life, y'all. Oh, my pants? Shit, how I get that on my pants? You know what? On the bottom of that one, probably. Yeah, it's all good. At least it's black. What's up? What's up? We on our yacht. We on the yacht.
No, we're not.
Not
yet.
We on the. See, that's why children. We on the yacht. We on the yacht. Yacht. Everybody. Hey, y'all, it's time to check in for tomorrow, actually. What does it say? Hey, we having a ball for real. No, seriously. We are having the time of our life. So we on the yacht. Tell them what's up, Malia. Hey, y'all. Y'all see y'all niece? Yes, we eat our cookies. Say yacht. Everybody. Yeah.
You're so crunchy.
What you say?
You're so crunchy.
Cringy? She said I'm cringy. My niece said I'm cringy. Let me walk back there. Hey Mel, I told him I was gonna come back live when we get on our yacht. Yacht.
Live now?
Everybody.
I ain't on the yacht yet.
Okay, Malia. Oh my God. Hush, Malia.
15 minutes away from me.
Oh my God. If she ain't Malia.
Sorry.
We are on the yacht. Yay.
No, we're not.
Everybody. Yacht. Everybody. Yeah. She like, Come on, mama, man. Yacht. Everybody. Oh, Malia number one.
What's up?
Nephew, tell them we're on the yacht.
Yeah, we're on the yacht.
Yacht.
Yeah.
We on our yacht, y'all. We on the yacht.
Oh, yeah.
Where we going?
St. John.
We're going to St. John. I knew it was a
Coming for
saint.
you, St. John. Don't play with us. We're ready for you.
I knew it was a saint. Just didn't know which one.
St. John.
We're on a boat.
It's not a boat, it's a yacht.
No, it's a boat.
This is my sophisticated niece right here. She's classy. Tell them hi, Mariah. She said hello, people. She said hello, people. She said hello, people. Okay. So we're gonna come Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's up, y'all? What's up? Yeah, we on the yacht. She's on live.
Less than 60 seconds. This is going to be your opportunity to grab everything. So bang, shebang. My thing, they owe us a lot of credit. Like this on Will. Jay, did you finish that? Take a photo. Okay, let me see the stuff. It's up.
I almost fell.
Probably would be if we need it.
It's gonna be one of them nights. It's gonna be one of them nights. It's gonna be one of them nights. Show through them tights.
I'm happy to get in. Stay scared.
Let them be
I'll get in. I'm gonna get in too.
So scary, man.
Hey, come give me a hand first.
I got it.
The floaty, and I gotta get the floaty off her before pull her out of it.
I'm not gonna push you in, baby. I wouldn't do that.
Y'all want to get in? I'll get in with y'all.
Where you at?
I'm gonna go get in too.
But it's too cold for you? But why you keep getting out?
Because I see turtle. No.
You see turtles?
You did not see a turtle.
It is
Yeah,
some.
still.
It's some over there. He said.
He don't eat toes.
Yeah, but
He
still.
only eat the bottom of the thing. He just came up for air.
Starting to rain.
You're not
You better
gonna-
do it.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait. I don't want
Let me jump in with him.
You for real?
Yeah. Why not?
Go ahead. Go to your stuff.
You get in.
Jump in.
All right, man. I'll wait for you.
Is the water hot or cold?
It's not that bad. It's actually like warm when you get used to it.
Oh, you been in already?
Yeah, of course I
Water
have.
isn't too bad, though.
How
You
deep
get
is
out,
it?
it's- Right here is about 15 feet.
I didn't even jump in.
I know.
I thought I was gonna touch the bottom for a minute.
Why are you so scared, little boy?
I'm not scared.
Oh.
It wasn't even.
She got on that life jacket. She's good.
Molly, I'm gonna get it with you.
Just put your hand on it.
You gonna put on a life jacket or you just gonna go in?
Go in.
Just go into the pool.
Okay. Un momentito. I think.
Wait, can we stay in the water unless it's not like lightning or anything?
Yeah,
Coming in? Come on.
I don't want to take that.
No, I'm not gonna.
No!
I don't care. It wasn't even thinking like that.
I know you are. I feel like I should jump in.
We got him in, Mella. We got him in.
Mom, get in.
We trying to get this. We trying to get this scary one in, and he went in already.
No.
Actually, He pushed her. She pushed him in.
Wait, what happened? Yeah.
She pushed him in.
It was an accident. Can your feet touch the bottom? I didn't even see him. I was trying to do 10 flips, and then I accidentally pushed.
You gotta go so far in there for your feet to touch the ground, like probably like 7 to 10 feet away from the shore. That's what you can tell. Other than that,
You okay now, baby?
I might jump in.
You okay now, baby? She had to get used to it. All she been talking about is how she gonna jump in.
yeah, you did it. You did it. It's cold.
This thing won't get jump. Let's go get in. Let's not be little kids. Hey,
Uncle Marcus is a certified lifeguard. You can go get in if you want to.
You going back up or you going in the floor? Come right here. Come to this.
No, nobody's pushing. Alright, y'all heard. It was an accident when I pushed him, alright? No, it wasn't.
Oh, for sure. You want a floaty? You sure? Yep. Yep. You sure you don't want the floaty? When you come back, it's going, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah, they be going, and when they come back, like this right here.
So once you get to the white thing, it's not deep anymore?
No, once you get the way they standing up at.
I want to go over there. Can I go?
You see where they standing up at, man?
You want to go?
Yeah.
I'll take you. This one on two. We'll go.
I want to go.
You want to come? You sure?
Oh, what? Uncle Troy, you're about to
That
go
is
to
a
the beach?
far, boy, that, I don't know if she can go. She could probably go with her.
Hey, can I go? Can I go?
That's far. Yeah, y'all can go. Let me go check out her floaty.
Uncle Marcus, is it cold?
Give me
I'm not.
Shimo.
You want to come?
Get in.
You go.
Maloney, you're two. No, you're two. You're too little.
Y'all coming?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
I'm waiting for her.
I'm actually not going to push you. Go.
I told you that. Mariah, come sit down.
I can't go.
Don't.
Somebody wear the life jacket. I'm not. Oh, this is...
Jump in.
Cause I'll get.
Take your time. Yeah, it's far.
Tank actually goes.
Here's another one.
Do y'all have another one of these that's a loose?
You got another one?
I got a floaty chair that you can sit in and float with.
Yeah, get a floaty.
You know he goes.
That's for her. I can swim over there.
Right, tell him again. He got on a life vest.
You can go there.
He made it!
Not as smooth.
He ain't make it yet.
Tank, I'm finna just get in. I don't.
St. John is beautiful.
It is. You got it. When you got time, you can do a tour over here. You can we could bring the Jeep or whatever, and come, or a van, and just come over and take it on the ferry. Not the ferry, the barge. The barge actually bring the whole van over.
Wait, sir, I'm okay. I'm not lazy.
Okay.
You're gonna go in now.
Why are you?
I don't want to be gone.
So you can go.
So Tank, come sit down and let her get in.
Yes,
I thought you were about to get in. But you see them right here.
Grab it.
Now Uncle Troy almost, he trying to go to the beach.
Oh, he going to the beach.
For real.
He ain't trying. He going.
Well, Marcus gonna be tired.
Oh yeah, but he got a floaty, so he good. And she kicking too. She not being lazy for sure. Come on now.
I want to run in the pool, but like...
Yeah, you can. You got the life vest. You good.
Yeah, but you
But
saw
what?
how he went under.
Oh well, you know. That was
'Cause you
unexpected.
pushed me.
Yeah, he wasn't prepared. But you gonna pop back up.
You sound like
Like, you know, like,
Can that be
Chick, you
real?
can go ahead and go first.
He don't want to go. He want you to go first.
junking. They let it all the way over there. I might as well go in my stuff.
Yeah, I might as well.
Come on. You waiting on him?
I'm making sure he goes.